Asia-Pacific DNA and gene cloning services market aims bigger with technological innovations by 2031. The global DNA and gene cloning services market is estimated to attain a valuation of $9.50 billion by the end of 2031, states a study by Transparency Market Research, TMR. Besides, the report notes that the market is prognosticated to expand at a CAGR of 13.7% during the forecast period, 2022 to 2031. The key objective of the TMR report is to offer a complete assessment of the global market, including major leading stakeholders of the DNA and gene cloning services industry. The current and historical status of the market together with forecasted market size and trends are demonstrated in the assessment in simple manner. In addition, the report delivers data on the volume, share, revenue, production, and sales in the market. The report by TMR is the end product of a study performed using different methodologies including the Pestle, Porter, and SWOT analysis. The study with the help of these models shed light on the key financial considerations that players in the DNA and gene cloning services market need to focus on identifying competition and formulate their marketing strategies for both consumer and industrial markets. The report leverages a wide spectrum of research methods including surveys, interviews, and social media listening to analyze consumer behaviors in its entirety. Get sample copy of the report, https://www.transparencymarketresearch.com/sample/sample.php, flag equals S and rep_id equals 85195. DNA and gene cloning services market, industry trends and value chain. The study on the DNA and gene cloning services market presents a granular assessment of the macroeconomic and microeconomic factors that have shaped the industry dynamics. An in-depth focus on industry value chain helps companies find out effective and pertinent trends that define customer value creation in the market. The analysis presents a data-driven and industry-validated frameworks for understanding the role of government regulations and financial and monetary policies. The analysts offer a deep dive into how these factors will shape the value delivery network for companies and firms operating in the market. DNA and gene cloning services market, branding strategies and competitive strategies. Some of the key questions scrutinized in this study are: what are some of the recent brand building activities of key players undertaken to create customer value in the DNA and gene cloning services market? Which companies are expanding litany of products with the aim to diversify product portfolio? Which companies have drifted away from their core competencies and how have those impacted the strategic landscape of the DNA and gene cloning services market? Which companies have expanded their horizons by engaging in long-term societal considerations? Which firms have bucked the pandemic trend and what frameworks they adopted to stay resilient? What are the marketing programs for some of the recent product launches? Make inquiry before buying, https://www.transparencymarketresearch.com/sample/sample.php, flag equals EB and rep_id equals 85195. The list of key players operating in the DNA and gene cloning services market includes following names: Aragon Life Sciences, Bio-Techne, Charles River Laboratories, Curia, Eurofins, GenScript, Integrated DNA Technologies, MedGenome, Sinobiological, Syngene, Twist Bioscience. DNA and gene cloning services market, assessment of avenues and revenue potential in key geographies. Some of the key aspects that the study analyzes and sheds light are: which regions are witnessing rise in investments in the supply chain networks? Which countries seems to have benefited from recent import and export policies? Which regions have witnessed decline in consumer demand due to economic and political upheavals? Which are some of the key geographies that are likely to emerge as lucrative markets? Which regions are expected to lose shares due to pricing pressures? Which regions' leading players are expected to expand their footprints in the near future? What are some of the sustainability trends impacting the logistics and supply chain dynamics in the DNA and gene cloning services market? What are some of the demographic and economic environments that create new demand in developing economies? How are changing government regulations shaping business strategies and practices? Related reports Immunohematology market, https://www.prnewswire.com/news releases Immunohematology market in Europe is projected to expand at a significant CAGR to 2025 TMR study 301658638.html. Pharmaceutical excipients market, https://www.accesswire.com/722341/ pharmaceutical excipients market to rise at 5 CAGR during the forecast period, notes TMR study. About us. Transparency Market Research, a global market research company registered at Wilmington, Delaware, United States, provides custom research and consulting services. Our exclusive blend of quantitative forecasting and trends analysis provides forward-looking insights for thousands of decision makers. Our experienced team of analysts, researchers, and consultants use proprietary data sources and various tools and techniques to gather and analyze information. Our data repository is continuously updated and revised by a team of research experts, so that it always reflects the latest trends and information. With a broad research and analysis capability, Transparency Market Research employs rigorous primary and secondary research techniques in developing distinctive data sets and research material for business reports. For more research insights on leading industries, visit our YouTube channel and hit subscribe for future update. https://www.youtube.com/channel UC8EZG23TMUADELATE Contact Nikhil Salani. Transparency Market Research Incorporated. Corporate headquarters downtown. 1000 Northwest Street, Suite 1200, Wilmington, Delaware 19801 USA. Telephone, 1-518-618-1030. USA-Canada toll free, 866-552-3453. Blog, https://tmrblog.com. Email, sales@transparencymarketresearch.com.